In today's class, we're going to be looking at present perfect sentences with just, already, and yet. Let's have a look at the explanation.
Unit 13, just, already, and yet. We use just, already, and yet with the present perfect.
Maybe that doesn't sound very important, but it is. We use the present perfect with just, already, and yet. It's very different to Spanish.
Just. Just means a short time before now. Just emphasizes that it is only a short time. Just goes before the main verb in positive sentences. I've just passed my driving test.
Present perfect. I have passed my driving test. I have just passed my driving test means acabo de aprobar mi test de conducir, mi examen de conducir.
The match has just started.
Remember, present perfect. The match has started. The match has just started, que acaba de empezar.
We've just moved house.
We have moved house. We have just moved house. Acabamos de mudarnos de casa.
Already. Already means some time before now. Already emphasizes that the action is now complete. We are not so interested in how long ago. Already sometimes means earlier than expected. Already goes before the main verb in positive sentences. I've already driven 500 kilometers. I don't want to drive anymore.
Present perfect. I have driven 500 kilometers. I've already driven 500 kilometers. Ya he conducido 500 kilómetros.
My brother has already left school. He's at university now.
Present perfect, consequence now. My brother is at university because he has left school. He has already left school. Ya ha dejado el colegio. Está en la universidad.
My dad had flu last week, but he's already gone back to work.
He has gone back to work. He has already gone back to work before you would expect, because he had flu last week, so that's surprising. Ya ha vuelto al trabajo. Ya está de vuelta.
Our little sister's already learned how to open cupboards, although she's only 1.
She has already learned how to open cupboards. This is surprising because she is only 1. Que ya ha aprendido antes de lo esperado.
Yet. Yet means up to now. Yet often emphasizes that we expected something to happen before now or around now. Yet goes at the end of a negative sentence. I haven't finished my sandwich yet.
I haven't finished my sandwich yet. Todavía. Aún.
I'm eating it now. I need more time. Yet sometimes suggests that something might happen in the future. You haven't seen my new bike yet.
You haven't seen my new bike. You haven't seen my new bike yet. You might see it in the future.
You might see it sometime soon. Yet goes at the end of a question. Have you phoned Jade yet?
Have you phoned Jade yet? So at the end of the question, it changes its meaning a little bit, or at least it changes its meaning in Spanish. The translation is different. ¿La has llamado ya?
I think you planned to phone Jade around now. Has Francis bought Mum a birthday card yet?
Has he bought the birthday card yet? ¿Ya la ha comprado?
I think he should do it soon.
So we're going to have a look at some exercises to test your knowledge of already, just, and yet. Let's get started.
Practice. Exercise 1. Choose the correct words. Number 1. That's amazing. I've just seen our street on television. Number 2. I've worked at the cafe for the last 2 weekends, but I haven't been paid yet. Number 3. We've just heard our exam results. Number 4. Oh no, I've just dropped a litre of olive oil on the kitchen floor. Can you help me clear it up? Number 5. Have you had an invitation to Janie's party yet? Exercise 2. Put the words in brackets in the correct position in each sentence. Number 1. The lesson has already begun. Number 2. Have you been to the new shopping centre yet? Number 3. This parcel has just arrived for you. Number 4. I haven't saved much money for my holiday yet. Number 5. It's only 11 o'clock, but everyone's already gone home. Number 6. My parents have just bought a new car. Number 7. Have you done this exercise yet? Number 8. We've just finished the last sentence. Exercise 3. Mark the sentences S if they mean the same thing, or D if they mean different things. Number 1. I saw the doctor a few minutes ago. I've just seen the doctor. Same. Number 2. We've already had one holiday this year. We haven't had a holiday yet. Different. Number 3. My brother has a job, although he only left school last week. My brother left school last week, and he's already found a job. Same. Number 4. I've already been to Australia twice, but I haven't visited New Zealand yet. I've just left Australia, and I'm going to New Zealand. Different. Number 5. I've just finished cleaning the kitchen, and I'm going to have a shower. I've already cleaned the kitchen, but I haven't had a shower yet. Same. Exercise 4. Nick has an exam tomorrow. He's made a list of things to do. Write sentences about what he's already done and what he hasn't done yet. Read through my revision notes. He hasn't read through his revision notes yet. Buy some new pens. He's already bought some new pens. Set my alarm for 7 a.m. He hasn't set his alarm for 7 a.m. yet. Decide what to wear. He hasn't decided what to wear yet. Text my mates about meeting after the exam. He's already texted his mates about meeting after the exam. Ask Mum to give me a lift to school. He's already asked his mum to give him a lift to school.